Hello friends, welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sharwa Vishwavidyalaya. Today we discuss about the service marketing mix, which is very important in service marketing. The service marketing, it is also known as extended marketing mix. Total in service marketing mix we have to learn about the 7P of marketing mix. The product marketing mix include 4P: product, price, promotion and place. But in extended service marketing mix include another 3P, that is people, process and physical evidence. Simply we can say that service marketing mix assumes service as a product itself. So it add another 3P for optimum service delivery. See, this is a chart of service marketing mix. In that, first product, in that we have to consider the design, technology, packaging, accessories, warranty. Place, in that we have to consider distribution, channel, web-based channel, peer-to-peer, multi-channel. People, employee, organization culture, customer service, customer relationship, customer marketing, all that thing we have to consider. In promotion, we have to consider special offer, advertisement, promotional activity, direct marketing, competition and joint ventures. Process, which include standardization and service delivery. In price, we have to consider skimming pricing, value-based pricing, cost pricing, penetration, all that thing. And in physical evidence, we consider interfaces, artifacts and facilities. Now we can understand one by one. First, product. The product in service marketing mix is intangible in nature. Like physical product such as soap or a detergent, service product cannot be measured. For example, tourism industry or we can say education industry. The service product has to be designed with care. In generally, service blueprint is done to define the service product. Second one is place. Place in case of service determine where is the service product going to be located. The best place to open a petrol pump is on a highway or in a city. So place where there is a minimum traffic is a wrong location. So when we decide the giving the service, the place is very important. Third is promotion. Promotions have become a very important factor in service marketing mix. Services are easy to be duplicated and hence it is generally the brand which sets a service apart from its counterpart. You will find a lot of bank and telecom company promoting themselves very rigorously because there is a competition in the market. So services promotion is very important. Fourth one is price. Pricing in case of service is rather than more difficult than in case of the product. If you were a restaurant owner, you can price a people only for the food you are service. But then who will be paid for the price of nice ambition you have to build up for your customer? Who will be paid for the band you have for the music? So all these things to be considered when you give the price for your service. Fifth is people. People is one of the important element of service marketing mix. People define a service. If you have an IT company, your software engineer define you. If you have a restaurant, your chief and your service staff define you. If you are in a banking, then employees in your bank will define your behavior towards the customers define you. So in case of service marketing, people can make or break an organization and relation with the customer. So many companies nowadays are involved into specially getting their staff trained in interpersonal skill and customer service to get your customer. Sixth is process. Service process is the way in which a service is delivered to the end customer. For example, McDonald's. The company thrive on their quick service and the reason that they can do that is their confidence on the processes. So process is very important in service marketing mix. The demand of these services is such that they have to deliver optimally without a loss in a quality. So, the process of service company in delivering its product is most important. It is also crucial important for the service blueprint. And last is physical evidence. The last element in service marketing mix is very important element. So, services are intangible in nature. However, to create a better customer experience, tangible elements are also delivered with the services. For example, a restaurant which has only chairs and tables and good food, or a restaurant which have the proper lighting, nice music along with the good sitting arrangement, and these also serve the good food, then all the customer will consider the second one. So several times the physical evidence is used as a differentiator in service marketing. So these are the 7 P normally we can consider in service marketing mix. Thank you.